igayini ithi ingane ngibeke isakhonsive uthi mangivula ikhesi yakho thangana ngokwenza ukuthi 88 fonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane udlulala umaphumulo maphumulo lakho ama detectives ufika uPulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha ngiyakufuna nothi asingithandi ngiboshiwe uyezwa ngithi mina ngahlala ngalinda khona ngithe mangiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo baphuma bangishiye ofisini base bekuzofika kumina ngo9 ekseni ngasuka ngatshela uJasitha sahambe siye khona uma ngifika lapha yanga detective kwathusela uKennel wakho kade mfonela nangiwarranti wePOP uthi angime la ngithi appointment i-private hospital you have past 3 you have past 11 at the time ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo ayobeka khona ikhamsini ihlali lapha iyaqhubeka iyagula still iyayidla into ekuyiyona ungitshela ukuthi angikhambise la ngibele into ebheke angithathe ngina 4 hours kuphile la uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini imile ngitshela ukuthi asithi ukuthi kuthiwa ngiboshiwe naye la ningibizeleni ngiyamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga wangitshela ukuthi angimela namba bebekhona angisazi isingisi waZulu nesibongo ngizalele kaZulu angikuzo ngiyakungitshela ukuthi ulisiphi ukuthi uqashwa ndawo enarong uzofuna lapho ngasazi izulu angikuzo thola whoever ozokudolikela angikuzo umshifu wanda angikuzo
Can you read?
I can't read. That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenze
I want to make you read.
lalela you are not here for the meeting ngithi kuthweze lento efanele uyenze ayithi kuthunyelwa yona ukuthi uzo-assessa lona ngithi ngawenze lo
I will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta.
ngithi mina it's because awungizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no-IO wecase yami against your Kennel uyezwa uthi wenze kahle wazi phela mina umkhulu lami ngibeka esibhedlela nengane yami ilimele gogo
Did I phone you?
They reported to me yesterday. I was coming for another case, then they called me. I told Jacinta that they called me. They said they were coming to find their own case. And I think,
The lawyer was
but it's Jacinta's lawyer. I've got another appointment at the doctor.
He was here.
I'm in a hurry. Hello! I've got another appointment, bafowethu. Ayithengize sengiyahamba. Ngane yami sesibhedlela please ngicela sinakake
Who phoned you from?
we ubani detective Mkhulu nombani lo what's his rank sergeant or warrant or what
I never know.
warrant 2
I never know.
I don't know the number. I was called by UIO for my child's case against the police. What transpired there. Then when I got to the detective's office, I told him, Maile is here. Oh, yeah, Maile is not Maile. She's the one who opened the case again and
I
again.
cannot. Yes,
Accused number 1 is here.
someone, so, she's, what's her name?
Can I speak?
Okay, just hold on.
Kanya sawubona. Ngiyaphila umntwana ulondiwe mama ngilokhu ngifikile lapha phandle kanti bengine appointment bafuna uJ88 yengane ukuthi nayithela ngamanzi lapha i-chemical. Ngibizwe uXulu wathi ungibophile ufaka icala ngizosayina i-warning statement unjela izolo ngatshela uMangobese manje lokhu ngivalelwe lapha phandle kanti i-appointment ye-specialist bafuna uJ88 wengane. Lokhu ngikhamise phandle ngihlanganisile utho nento yabantu abalana eminyango mina ngizela ukuthi ngizongitshala. Okay, thank you.
No.
Ungmise 2 hours la. Ungmise 2 hours nenduku. Ungmise 2 hours la. Ungmise le 2 hours. Nomfazi ushisa ingane ngekhemikhali yakho yini? Uthe angibe 2 hours ago wena la. Wenzani? Wenzani?
Kathi wenzani ngempela?
Andeli lapho point lo dodweni enwenzayo. Uthe angeze 2 hours ago. Wenzani? Ayibona abamazi into wenzani? Lalela wena, lalela wena, lalela. Hey mfaz, lalela. Uyafuna ukutshengisa ingane yami njani? Uyafuna ukutshengisa ingane yami njani? Umisisikhathi esikanani la? Umisisikhathi esikanani la? Yazi ingane yami sesibhedlela.
Yaphumeka ayingcolile. Oh yes. Ifake i-effort enye-hearing la. Uzokhuluma ayibo sihambeni sizohlangana because kwenziwa ama-statement within 3 days but akasekho la abazi njengamanje
mina nawe sowuthuna noma labanye abantu ubhale igama lami lo yana ungitshengisa idokhe esinegama lami ubonisile lapha ake nilungise nkosikazi ungitshela ukuthi lo mama ngilandela u-IO khona kodwa ungitshela ukuthi angingasuki la
akekho kade hambile yabonga basesila
lo engithi uyena ongibizile izolo ade ngifonela
bekhona la
utheni kwena
u-IO by Thursday communicator naye. So you will decide whether you follow a statement. Was before we encountered the statements to explain what happened. No, he says we are going to NPA board decide the weather. So they need to look at the footage of what happened on the day. If there's evidence, NPA will decide at the end of the prosecution. So if there's no evidence, then they won't do anything. But you need to decide whether you make a statement. So, but we'll talk after whether you...
No, uKennedy yena uthi angihamba ngimela lo kuyena obanye lo mayeza lo wakhona.
No, it's fine. We have a number.
Ingane yami u-IOY. Awuqedile ukungifisa udokotela uthakuziwe nawe. And usebenza ngesikhathi.
Okay, ngicela wenze appointment yakusasa.
Uyakhopha la engikhuluma khona, ukhuluma private hospital. Musukhuluma ezithi ngihamba ke ngengcenye la ngiyakhona. Ngenze njani mawuthi alright?
Ngiyabuya ngisahamba ngisangena ngaphakathi.
Ngime for another 2 hours ngoba sekuphele 3 hours ngesikhathi ungene ngaso ngaphakathi.
Angiphumi ngaphakathi.
Usukela uyobiza ucolleague wakho wale case engikhambiselana mina. Basithela ngelento lesifuthi lesamanzi sifutha lapha yana balimaza ingane yami silapha eEdington le mhlophe nebali ngavula icase uma ngifika izolo lapha ya kuma detectives ufika u-IO ethi ufuna i-J88 yengane njengoba ilimele uma ngifika lapha nale ngane la enayishanga stand grenade enyaweni na 6 years uma ngifika lapha u-IO lo okuyena osilethela uxolo athi uJacinta nginibophile noJacinta ngicela ukuthi nizosayina ama warning statement ngimfonela uJacinta khona athi asifike kuyena lapha ya engifuna ukwazi lo Kennedy njobe sesikhamisisela phezulu kwalokho ingane yami ihleli ikhamisile lapha esibhedlela ilimele iphuma le esideni ifakile kule le nto enifake khona afaka namaphoyisa because ilimele ikhuluma uthi udokotela ibingeke isakhonsive ukuba ifike late engifisa ukwazi ukuthi yini leni yenzile phezulu kwalokho nizovulela thina icase sithi instigate violence le ngane kade lethu ukudla ingahlanganisela utho nalento kuyona your police ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ngithini after that sengishilo sengiqedile what deal with me like ubani wena ubani isibongo baba nethiyonda ungakuphi baba ungakuphi ubuya venda wena ophethe la in communications. Okay, can ngichazela case ukuthi umsuka wokuthi usibona sila. Ngithi I went to the police station.
When I first do my work here, then I'll come and attend you to go to the station and give you the property.
Okay, I'll appreciate that. Ngizokulinda la.
Can I let you know, as we were saying, is he there on duty? Yes, yes. Okay. Can I let you know just
I've been staying here for the past 2 hours.
Yes.
Ngicela ungivulele. Baba ngizoyenza i-interview, Baba. I've been here for the past 4 hours. I've been here for the past... Listen, let me tell you how did we get here. I was there for my daughter, and you told me that I'm being arrested, but today, no. Man, our office, man, and that said, a woman, Baba, a woman end up in the name because of this. A woman end up. In Pilon Ganamda, a woman end up, I'm some daughter because of attend the kids. When you figure so in that, what's a bango pilena? Where's I? Getting in the Bayan Kanyami. Mina come to see the Canada Kumchal Sankamisela. Gitang Ham visit 88, Bangchal Tingochiwela. Gating Fulukamang as better, Bangchal Tangisela. And Chachi, when Nitens on Chata Fin, and Ding won't get on Funanas and telling me the Leon. Nintel Kamisela. Nimbizele uJacinta ufonelwe yimi ngathi nithi nina ningibopile noJacinta. Bengise lalela kaZulu Natal la uzobona ukuthi ujolikele ubani ngithi uJacinta bengathi ngihambisa icase yengane yami uKennel wakho owakhipha instruction wathi kwakufuthwa amanzi yashiswa ile whatever lento nifakayo khona yashiswa iyona umzimba wonke ishile nangaphansi ishile igayini ithi ngani ngeke isakhonsiphi. Uthi mangivula icase la kwathiwa ngihambe ngokwenza i-88 ngifonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane odlula la uMaphumulo mangikuMaphumulo lapha kuma-detectives kufika uqulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha ngiyakufuna noJacinta Mboshiwe uyezwa ngithi mina ngabahlingahlala ngalinda khona ngithe mangiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo baphuma bangishiye ofisini base bezofika kumina ngo9 ekseni ngasuka ngatshela uJacinta sihambe siye khona. Uma ngifika lapha ama-detective kwathusela uKennel wakho kade mfonela nangiwarranti we-POP uthi angiyime la ngithi appointment i-private hospital you have past 3 you have past 11 at the time ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo IO bekade khona ikhamsini ihleli lapha iyaqhubeka iyagula still iyayidla into ekuyiyona ungitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ngibele into ebheke angithathiwe ngina 4 hours kubile la uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku ngihamba ngenduku uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini imile ngitshela uJacinta ukuthi kuthiwa ngiboshiwe naye la ningibizeleni ngamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga wangitshela ukuthi angimela namba bebekhona.
Let me address you in English. You will see.
Angisazi isingisi ngwakaZulu nesibongo ngizalwele kaZulu angikuzi.
Then you will see.
Ngeke ungitshela ukuthi you will see ukuthi uqashwe endaweni errong uzofuna laba ngasazi isiZulu angikuzi. Thola whoever ozokudolikela angikuzi umchief kwanda angikuzi.
Can you read?
I can't read.
That's the problem.
That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenza.
I wanted to make you read.
Lalela, you are not here for the meeting. Ngithi kuthwenze lento ekufanele uyenze. Akithi kuthunyelwe yona ukuthi uzo-addressa lona. Ngithi ngawenze lo.
I will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta to come in.
Ngithi mina it's because angizwa. Uyezwa? Ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no IO we-case yami against your Kennel. Uyezwa? Uthi wenze kahle walizela because ngiyakufuna no Jacinta. Uyangizwa isizwe leso Zulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela oba mina ngikutolikela. Futhi usendaweni errong la kaZulu mama ngizwa.
So the lawyer,
I'm saying to you, iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka.
And the very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta, you and other person will come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today. Finish.
Lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini. Yezwa yini? Awungizwa ukuthi ngithini. Ngithi no. Sorry, sir. That's not harassment. That's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma. No. Misa wena kangilalela. Nisa wena ngilalela. Ngeke uzungishiye kanje. Ukhuluma ngento yokuaddress case ngine case yengane yami mina. Elimele. Oqhubekayo isikhathi nesikhathi. Wena mina ngifuna ungisize manje. I'm not talking about the court cases.
Okay.
Remember, I told you
What do
I
you
was
want?
coming for a police station.
What do you want from us now?
Ngidinga usizo manje. Ningifonele nangitshela ukuthi angime angize ngize la mina.
Okay, we are here.
Even udokotela akwazi ukuthalisa i-J88.
Here we are. How do I assist you now? Here, man.
Nithe angize la. Udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengane for J88. Uthi ukhenele wakho angime la. Angisizakala ngithi kuphele 4 hours. Wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathemide. Yokhenela ubani lo mayeza okuyena ovulele case la.
Athi wena uze.
Ayisuka. Anifune nami umuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu la. Utukile. Hawu. Vele ikhitha soyidila namakwarekore kwawena uyasikorezela. Mawuqotha amakwarekore abantu abangaphandle. IsiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngakuzwa uyangikwerezela. Hayi ukuthi sithi kwarekwere ngoba ungaphandle. Uyikwarekwere kwawena isuka la. Tala ningivulele la. Aningivulele la. Kuphela lokhanelweni. Uyosilesa ubathi ufunani la.
Lokhulumela amaphoyisa. Asila bese bakhulumela.
Hayi Mntwana. Yeah, kwenzekani? Kama ngasichazela. Just a brief.
Ngivula icase lapha ingane yami ekade lethe ukudla bayithela lapha bathi kuthele ingane na 6 cent nge-hand grenade. Uma suka ingane ivuvukele le nebalela imhlobo. Ivuvukele ingahlanganisela utho nalento ebiyenzeke edinsini. Ivuvukele iyahamba ngiyabuya ngizovula icase udokotela utshela ukuthi ukuba ifike late bingeke isaconceive. Uma ngifika la ngivula icase bayivula icase u-IO uyangifonela izolo ngitshela ukuthi angilethe J88. Mangifika lapha kubona kufika lo IO wale case uthi sivule uthi ungenze kahle ngafika uyangifuna no Jacinto ngivulela icase yokuthi instigate violence. Mangiqeda IO wengane angibuye ngize kuyena. Uma ngiphuma ngesikhathi ngiphume ngasabasekho bathi angifike ngo9 bazofika ngo9 kumina. Sisuke ngitshela uJacinto ngimfonela uthi kuthiwa siyafuna athi banayo inamba yami abakufonele ngani. Ngithi ngitshela lokho abangifonele noZuma bathi kulungile so hamba siye khona. Uma ngifika ekuseni ngiqalele ekuseni khona IO ngenzela ama witness statement ngisubmit konke into engisubmithayo. Uqeda uyasuka la yena lo IO ungishiya lapho uzala. Kuthiwa ngize la mangifika uKennedy lo kuyena osibophile la. Athi uKennedy ngimela ngithi Kennedy ngine appointment ka past 11. Nithanga ukuthi J88 angize nana amaphoyisa kulungisa J88 because udokotela uthi ngane leshiwe njoba ina lento nayo akakwazi ukuphathisa J88. Athi uKennedy ngithi ungasuki lapha. Shuthi mina mangisuka vele bazongibopha njoba besibopha la sitiye besibopha into engekho. Shuthi ngimile la 4 hours bangena bayaphuma abantu kuslima mina.
Even those who are sent by the commander to come and address us, they can't even speak Zulu. They can't even speak Zulu.
Asasebenzi le station isho sisivale permanently. Vele ya useless. Nidla ama drugs ngani imali ama drugs nasibophela udokotela wonke la. Anivule la ihambe lonke futhi manje ngabithi nizokwenzani. Kwareshu ingane 16 years amatshitsha abheke emhlangeni la. Anaza nenze lutho doti bestaff la. Awahamba unomphelo. Angaphinda abuye. Yebo, Maphomolo.
Yebo.
Ngicela ungiphi inamba yakho ligwakho uCulu lana sengikhamisele selokhu ngisuke lapho ngikhamisela lana ingane ne appointment 11:30 esibhedlela. So angikwazi ukungagcwalisa J88 I'm paying there. So ngizela ukuzolungisa lento ngicela ungiphi inamba yakho uthi uKennel umfonele angazi uzongimisa kube nini la. Besides I'm not in a condition yokum. Uthi umfonelile uKennel uthi fanele ngabe ufikile lapho. Manje angazi ukuthi ngikhamisela into etheni because ungisukele ngathwala ikhanda ngimise yonke into ingane yami priority kulento. Uyilimazile ngalento yakhe. Yeah, ngicela ungiphe nami number yakhe. Benimbizelani?
Ake nisisheshisele lapho ngaphakathi. Ayi police station sebenza umuntu oyedwa, police station uthatha 100. Bani uthanga ngeke. Abantu abashole ukuthi abantu bazofuna bakusala bangabuye bengafuni ukungena ngaphakathi. Cha umntwana ke no bani uthanga ngeke. Nonsense. Ngobani? Bazosithola kula maphepha.
Nishisa ingane yami ngechemical. Nijiya ninginike J88 nithange esibhedlela. Fanele ngabe sesibhedlela. Nizongibiza lana. Nimbizeleni. Wequlu. Uthi uKennel wakho lo wathi asidutshulo lana uthaza wena ukufonele phula la. Ngiqala into engeni man nasibopha la ningazi nisibophela 7 months nimosha ama state resources. Anivuli. Hawe maphumulo na usuvala ifoni. Asivulelwa ngani uphi lo? Hayisuka. Usavala ifoni nomaphumulo. Wamaphumulo wena ubuthi ufuna J88 yana usungena ngaphansi uthi wabiza uqonda usayibamba ifoni.
Wayebo uqhamuka lethu ipolice labamshakathi. Lawa kamkhanaza nezezela kakhulu amapolice. Amapolice abheka icele ayesaba. Ayingahambi sinokwenza phakathi.
Ngizochaza nalama kingpin lawe nondlala. Anondlala ngizochaza vulani. Hey mina. Mangobe sengicela umtshele lo msesha ngenze lento ingane bangenzela appointment ka 11:30. Ayibathe bafuna J88 ngicela attend ngisuke ngihambe. Angihlanganisele utho nezinye izinto ingane yami ilimele. Please. Nifuna ukuthi siyahlanya nibe nazi nenzani. Come to me. Remember when you said you called her, she called the IO. And when I called her, she said, I had already called her, the IO is coming there. And I'm saying my dilemma here is that I need to get to the hospital because my appointment is for. So because she didn't listen, that's why she's saying I must drop the J88 because the J88 is a separate case. But I need to be at the hospital because my appointment is for 11:30. But she insisted that I mustn't leave here. That is my issue with her.
But now she said we must go to the detective.
It's because she didn't hear that's the reason why I'm here.
Now, then I'd rather go to the hospital and go do your appointment.
I cannot take the chances with this stupid police station here because they arrested me for a stupid case like this one last year. So if I live here, the next thing they'll come for me. So I don't want to take chances, especially because they instructed me to stop here, to wait for it. Ma'am, Utangina for the past 2 hours. For the past 2 hours, I'm telling you. For the past 2 hours, uKennel wakho umfonele lo IO wakho. Akuhlanganisele utho mina nayo yonke le nto. U-IO uthi uthe yena uKennel wakho uyeza la. And inkinga yami njengoba ngifuna le J88 kufanele ngabe ngingena ngaphansi ilokhu ngimise sonke lesikhathi. And ngithi ngimangi ngitshela ukuthi I need to get to the hospital ngitshela ukuthi angingasuki la angilindela. Lo u-IO wakho not u-IO Kennen wakho. Sangimele into engayazi manje. Lalela mama. Ukhulu was called by uKennen. Ngeke ungashutheki wonke amakhamera bheka either way. Awuhlangani nokuthi udlulisa imessage because ngiso wena ke by the way wena uvule la for the past 2 hours njengokuthi uyabona. Bekuso
Iy'mpendulo zakhona bamazi.
Ungimise ngifika la abanjani abangenisile kube kuyimi engilethe icala la. Wesisi. Shuthi nilwa nami kahle kahle. Kwenzakalani wesisi? Mina ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyenze. Ngicela ushuthe lo sisi lo lalela wemfazi. Ngihamba ngenduku mina yezwa yini? Ungimise 2 hours la wenzani? Ungimise 2 hours la. Ungimise 2 hours. Le case le bengihambisa ingane yami ungimise 2 hours la. Ungimise 2 hours nenduku. Ungimise 2 hours la. Ungimise le 2 hours. Lo mfazi ushisa ingane ngechemical yazwa yini? Uthe angime 2 hours ago wena la. Wenzani? Wenzani? Andeli la point lo wena no time. Uthe ngeze 2 hours ago. Wenzani? Hayi laba bamazi into wenzani lapho. Lalela wena lalela wena. Lalela ndaleni la bayikhulile lapho. Hey mfasi lalela. Bafuna ukuhlala Why now? Listen.
Even here, when I asked them,
you didn't explain. Listen. They are using the state resources. I'm using my family money. And besides, you can see that I'm being and I'm in crashes. So you can't leave that office when I was in that office saying that we must come here. When I'm here, he said he was coming here, and your Kennen said he was coming here.
She told you he's coming here, but now he said his office.
Can you put her on the phone, Warren? Can you put her on the phone? Because this woman is really abusing me. She's really abusing me.
Let me phone.
Maybe she's the one who's the beneficiary of what has been happening. One needs to deal with her, I'm telling you. Please call her. Ngimela ngoba usafana ngifanele warning statement. Ngithi appointment past 11 ikenika instruction errong.
Uyazi la engayiphethe information empeleni.
Uye lo mfazi ongalaleli okuyena osipophile.
Abezwa vele baqashwe unobhala. Ngicela amaphoyisa wafunda ngela unobhala.
No, she left.
Abanye bakhe
Just open for the recording. The IO is yes. The IO for my daughter's case against Kennen is Mubale. The one, Mapumulo, the one that was here. He went to the other side. He said he was going to look for Kulu. Then the next thing is not picking up. So I'm here for Kulu. Kulu is the one who approached me yesterday when I called Jasmine. So the issue with me, can you listen properly now? The issue here, when you called the Kennen called Kulu and told him that I was wrong. And he said he was coming here. So when I called Kennen after seeing that it's passing time, she said, I must wait. And I'm telling her that my issue is that it's been 2 hours. And my issue is that my appointment is for 11:30. It's 17 minutes past 11. So if I live here and I haven't signed this warning statement, we have the challenge just like the other year when we were arrested for the same stupid thing. Now, if she insisted that I must wait till it's coming. And I'm saying my issue is I don't have to So she said that I stay here. Okay, got that the message. No. Mana we office. Mana just say I won't begin that. I won't begin that. Because wena ufikiswe indaba yokuthi bangiphile la uyezwa yini ngidinga indaba yengane yami mina ningikhamisisile la ukhana lokho ngitshela ukuthi angikhamisela ngithe ngihambisa i-J88 bangitshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe la ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela wangitshela ukuthi angize la angithathiwe ngithe ngizongithatha fini ngikhamisile so angidingi ukungena ngifuna lenza into eningibizele yona ningitshela ukuthi angikhamiselani ningitshela ukuthi angikhamiselani ningibizele uJacinta ufonelwe yimi ngathi nithi nina ningibophile noJacinta bengise lalela kaZulu Natal la uzobona ukuthi uDolikelo bani ngithi uJacinta bengikade ngihambisa icase yengane yami ukheneli wakho owakhipha instruction wathiwa futhi amanzi yashiswa ile whatever lento enifakayo khona yashiswa iyona umzimba wonke ishile nangaphansi ishile igayini ithi ingane ngeke isaconceive uthi mangivula icase la kwathiwa ngihambe ngokwenza i-J88 ngifonela umseshi wakho lo mfana lo mfishane odlulala umaphumulo mangikumaphumulo lapha kuma detectives kufika uXulu lo othi wenza kahle wayiletha ngiyakufuna noJacinta ngiboshiwe uyezwa ngithi mina ngabahlingahlala ngalinda khona ngithe mangiqeda bese bephumile bona u3 wabo baphuma bangishiye officeini base bethi bazofika kumina ngo9 ekseni ngasuka ngatshela uJacinta sambe siye khona uma ngifika lapha yama detective kwathusela ukheneli wakho kade mfonela nangiwarranti we-POP uthi angiyime la ngithi appointment i-private hospital you 3:30 you 11 at the time ngiyamtshengisa nathi kwayena lo IO bekade khona ikhamsile ihlala ihleli lapha iyaqhubeka iyagula still iyayidla into ekuyiyona ungitshela ukuthi angikhamise la ngimele into ebheke angithathe ngina 4 hours kubile la uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uyangibona ukuthi ngihamba ngenduku uzongitshela ukuthi angikwazi ukungena ngibizwe yini imile ngitshela uJacinta ukuthi kuthiwa ngiboshiwe naye la ningibizeleni ngamtshela ngathi ngifuna ukuhamba ngesibhedlela ingane yami nenkinga wangitshela ukuthi angimela namba bebekhona angisazi isingisi ngakaZulu nesibongo salwale kaZulu angikuzwa ngiyakungitshela ukuthi ul6 uthi uqashwa endaweni erong uzofuna lapha ungasazi isizulu angikuzwa thola whoever ozokudolikela ngikuzwa uchief wanda ngikuzwa
Can you read?
I can't read. That's the problem. Umsebenzi wakho wenza
I wanted to make you read.
lalela you are not here for the meeting ngidinga ukuthi wenze lento ekufanele uyenze angithi kuthunyelwe yona ukuthi uzo-adressa lona ngidinga wenze
I
lokho
will tell you this. Nobody called Jacinta.
ngithi mina it's because angizwa uyezwa ngithi mina umseshi waleli cala ufike kimi ngihleli phansi no-IO we-case yami against your kennel uyezwa uthi wenze kahle walizela because ngiyakufuna noJacinta uyangizwa isizwa leso sizulu noma ufuna uzokutolikela oba mina ngikutolikela futhi usendaweni erong nakaZulu noma ngizwa
So the lawyer.
I'm saying to you iloya kaJacinta ifonelwe yimi uzuma noJacinta ngimtshela ukuthi kuthiwa siyafuneka
And the very same lawyer agreed with the IO that Jacinta, you and other people will come at a later date to take your warning statement, not today. Finish.
lalela awungizwa ukuthi ngithini yezwa yini awungizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi no sorry baba that's not harassment that's not ngeke ungishiye ngikhuluma no mise wena kangilalela ngeke uzungishiye kanje ukhuluma ngento yoku-address case ngine case yengane yami mina elimele oqhubekayo isikhathi wena mina ngifuna ungisize manje I'm not talking about the court cases. Remember, I told you I was coming for a court station.
What do you want from us now?
Ngidinga usizo manje. Ngifonele ngangitshela ukuthi angimele ngizengise la. Even udokotela akwazi ukubhalisa i-J88.
Here we are. How do I assist you now? Here, man.
Nithe angize la. Udokotela ufuna nize kwanini esibhedlela nengane for J88. Uthi ukheneli wakho angime la. Angisizakele ngithi kuphele 4 hours wena ucabanga ukuthi aphathemide yokhenela ubani noma yeza okuye novulele case la ayisuka anifune namuntu onengqondo wazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani hamba ngakini yosebenza ngakini sikhuluma isiZulu utukile hawo vele ikhithe soyidila namakorekore kwa wena uyasikorezela mawuqala amakorekore abantu abakhala isiZulu sithi umuthi kwere ngingakuzwa uyangikwerezela hayi ukuthi sithi kwere ngoba ungaphansi uyikorekore wena esuka la